Artists, hobbyists, and painters, get ready. Whether you're a beginner exploring your first masterpiece or a seasoned pro creating breathtaking works of art, Ionic Paint by Ammo is here to transform the way you paint. What makes Ionic Paint so special? It's all about versatility. Can you imagine a paint that sprays as smooth as lacquer, brushes as smooth as silk, and dry brushes just as well? Look no further than Ionic Paint. It can do it all. That's right, one paint perfect for every technique. And can we talk about color? These paints are packed with high quality pigments that bring stunning vibrancy to your work. Every brush stroke, every detail shines like never before. Watch as your projects go from good to absolutely jaw-dropping. Here's where it gets even better. If you're looking to get started with your collection of Ionic paints, then you can start right here with a basic set. Now this basic set is going to have everything you need to get started, and you can mix paints to get different various shades. If you're looking to expand upon your set, there are expansion sets and essential sets that'll give you an added arsenal to your collection of paints. I know that mixing paints can be very difficult, especially if you're like me when you're on the go and you're having to paint over multiple sessions. Trying to get the paint mixing ratios exactly the same over multiple sessions can be very difficult. That's where Ionic Paint can help you, because they sell a variety of sets, including an entire set that was just released where you can get all 180 paints at a discounted price versus buying individual bottles. What I love most about Ionic Paint is that it's truly for everyone. If you're just starting out, it's easy to use and it's forgiving as you learn. And for the pros out there, the versatility, quality, and vibrant results will take your projects to the next level. Are you ready to bring your art to life? Visit my website at relentlessstormmodels.com to grab your own Ionic Paint sets. I have quite a few in stock, including those starter sets, but if you're looking for the full 180 piece set, I have those on pre-order right now. They will be in July. Take a look at these recent pieces that I've painted using only Ionic paints. It's incredible the contrast and vibrancy that we can get with these beautiful colors. Just take a look at those skin tones. That is my own Ionic skin tone recipe. You can transform your art just like I have here with this piece. Look at these beautiful skin tones and all these vibrant colors. These are made real by Ionic paints. I use these on every single one of my models now because they're just that good. As I mentioned before, I've used them for airbrushing, brush painting, and dry brushing. They literally do it all, and I've used every technique on this model you're seeing right in front of you. And this new skin tone recipe that I put together from Ionic is absolutely breathtaking. It's absolutely gorgeous. You need to take advantage of the pre-order and also take advantage of the paints that I already have on my website and get these on your workbench today. Throw out your old AK, throw out your old Vallejo. Ionic is here to take over your workbench, and you are going to be very happy that you did so. Start small with the starter pack or go big with that full color range. The choice is yours, but trust me, you're going to love what you create. You don't need to choose between quality and convenience. With Ionic Paint, you get it all. Please take advantage of this and head over to my website at relentlessstormmodels.com and get your Ionic today.